Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia, guys. We're going to be talking about, is this your final chance? Is this your final chance for crypto? Should you be selling? Should you be dumping? Or should you be buying? So we're going to be talking about, this is your final chance. Final chance for what? We're going to be revealing that in this video, guys. So don't forget to go back and watch all my other videos. I would appreciate it. And remember, none of this is financial advice. And guys, smash Dogecoin 111, and also too, don't forget to go and smash the likes like crazy and show some love for the OG and go back and watch all my videos, guys. So what the heck is going on? Let's take a quick look at what's going on with Bitcoin right now. We can see that Bitcoin overall is just trading right now. Bitcoin is trading at 26,000. You can see it over here, 25,000 and some change, $25,802, and it's just kind of going sideways. It's just like got this whole sideways, nothing's happening. It's kind of in the doldrums. Now it's kind of interesting that, as I said in my previous video, I did talk about two possible scenarios for Bitcoin: going up or going down, and it's actually doing exactly as I predicted. I told you this is what was going to happen. So it's just trending down, going sideways. I think it's probably going to go down sideways. Probably we're going to see this continuation till the end of September, guys. So don't expect anything really big to be happening for September. September is kind of over and done with, but we have $3.4 billion worth of liquidations, which is going to start to happen on September 13th. We're going to be diving into that. Is this your final chance to sell? Is this your final chance to buy? We're going to be talking about that and how this $3.4 billion in liquidations could affect your choice, your decision as to if you're going to sell or buy. So guys, buckle up. In terms of announcements, nothing too major happening. We do have core CPI happening on the 13th. So that is pretty big. You know, the Fed uses that as a big indicator to determine if inflation is going up or going down. So I definitely expect that we could be seeing rate hikes, 25 basis points happening. We got core PPI happening on the 14th. So that's kind of what's going on in terms of that. Nothing really. We got core CPI on Wednesday. We've got a core PPI on Thursday. Friday, nothing much is happening. And then on next Monday, on the 18th, we've got the consumer confidence report. So that's kind of what's going on in terms of economic announcements that could affect crypto, could affect the broader markets. What's my take on the broader markets? I think it's just going to be sideways. I think tech will have a bit more of a sell-off as well. We're seeing overall everything is red. Take note, we're seeing that Solana here, Solana 101 is down. Is down. It's getting hammered, and this is also related to the 3.4 billion liquidations that are happening on the 13th. So we're going to be talking about that. So overall, things aren't looking good, guys. So overall, let me just give this a minty refresh. Don't forget to smash Dogecoin freaking 111, guys. What are you waiting for? Let's just zoom this up so you guys can see it. We can see that overall, we are seeing that. Hopefully you can see this. We can see that the Bitcoin dominance right now is at 48.6. Ethereum is at 18.8. Remember, Vitalik Buterin's Twitter X account got hacked, guys. Got hacked. If you're using Twitter X or using any platform, turn on two-factor authentication. Do not give the hackers, the scammers, the crooks out there an opportunity to take something that belongs to you. So turn on two-factor authentication, guys. Make sure you do that. So important. And that's not only for crypto exchanges, that's also for your emails, any platform where you have sensitive personal information. Turn on two-factor authentication. Remember, the hackers and the thieves are smart, right? They're smart. So we're seeing right now that Bitcoin right now is at 25,694. It's down 0.5%. Ethereum is down 1.54%. We're seeing much of the altcoins are getting hammered right now, and that is because of this 3.4 billion in liquidations that's about to happen, guys. We're also seeing that Cardano has flipped Doge, market cap 8.7 billion, and Doge 8.6 billion. So we're seeing that Doge is also taking a hit. Doge is taking a major hit. I'm not too worried about that. We're still seeing that Doge is at 6 cents. We really need to hold that 6 cents. Pow, 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 pow. 6 cents really needs to hold. It's so important. If Doge doesn't hold the 6 cent level, then we're going to be collapsing down, and it's not going to be good. Overall, fear and greed index right now is at 40, pretty much unchanged. We've kind of been at the 40 level since last week, yesterday, and now. So overall, the sentiment is not so good, guys and gals. And guys, comment. Do you like the new format? Do you like the new format streaming over the big TV, the big TV of knowledge? So let's take a look. Let's take a deep dive on what's going on with Doge. My Doge, your Doge out there. So you can see here, Doge has just been trending down. It's just been trending down to where we are right now. So we can see right now that Dogecoin is at the 6 cent support level. That's a 6 cent level. This blue line here is the 6 cent level. What am I seeing? What do I predict that's going to happen? If Dogecoin goes down below this purple rain line, we're definitely going to see that Dogecoin will collapse immediately, probably down to the 0.56. 0.57 area. So this is the next area that we need to hold. The zero, hopefully you guys can see that, the 0.550 level. So that's what we need to hold. So it's looking pretty precarious for Doge. And with this 3.4 billion in liquidations that's going to happen on the 13th, it's going to start. I think that we could see a major collapse, and we're going to see a major dumpage for the altcoins. I think Bitcoin will be a little bit more resilient out there. What's going on in terms of who's in the money, who's in out of the money for the Doge? Woozer, pow, smash at Dogecoin 111, guys. We are seeing right now that for Doge, Woozer, let me just get this. What the heck is going on out here? There, okay. Technical difficulties. Whoa, that's deep. Okay, there you go. So we're seeing right now that 31%, hopefully you guys can see that, 31%. Let me make that a little bit bigger for you. Okay, so right now we're seeing 31% of the Dogecoin holders are in the money, 59 or 60% are out. So it's not looking good. It is not looking good for Doge right now, I must admit that. Normally, if historically we look at Dogecoin, normally Dogecoin is more than 50% of the Dogecoin holders are in the money. It ain't looking good. But this is not only affecting Dogecoin, it's also affecting all the other meme coins as well. You can see here, if we take a look at comparing the 6 meme coins right now, we can see that right now Dogecoin 42% in profit. Hopefully you guys can see that on my head. Let me get my face out of the way. So 42% of Dogecoin holders are in a profit. Pepe 21%. Leash, that's the bone. That's part of the bone Shiba Inu ecosystem, right? 19%. Dogecoin Mars 14%. Shiba Inu only 11%. That sucks. Floki 10%. I mean, I'm feeling the pain. I got a little Floki and I got a little Shiba Inu. But if we take a look at the whales, we're seeing that Dogecoin Mars 75% is held by whales, and most probably the developers. Okay, we're seeing that Dogecoin 44% held by whales. We're seeing Pepe 49%. Leash 42, Shiba Inu 63%. So if you take a look at it, Dogecoin in terms of the holding by whales is not too shabby. Dogecoin 111. So I'm not too worried about that. That's looking pretty good. But guys, keep in mind that Dogecoin is the king of the freaking memes. Doge is outperforming them all. Ever wondered how meme coins compete on important metrics? Well, all I gotta say is Dogecoin is one of the most profitable meme coins right now, and most of the holders are in the profit, guys. So I wouldn't fret too much. Don't fret too much. Don't worry, guys. We're seeing that Dogecoin is not doing good right now. It's trending down, down. I'm not too concerned about that. You should not be too concerned. What's going on right now? Bitcoin we talked about. We're seeing right now in terms of liquidations. Monday right now, we're seeing a lot of liquidations for Dogecoin right now. A lot of liquidations for Dogecoin, and we are seeing that mainly we're seeing a lot of longs. So a lot of longs are getting liquidated. Stop leverage trading out there. It's not a good look out there. So overall, we're looking mighty fine. Now here, guys, this is the big story. Okay. Now I kind of want to spend some time on this. What is the market impact of FTX liquidates 34 billion in cryptos? This is going to be a big freaking sell-off, okay? So what you guys need to understand is this is the sell-off right here, okay? Let me make this bigger so you guys can see it, okay? So you guys can see here that the majority of the coins that are being sold off right now is Solana, okay? So Solana right now, we're talking about $685 million worth of Solana is being held by FTX. This is about to get liquidated, okay? We're followed by FTT, BTC, Ethereum at 90 million. We're talking about APT, Doge only 42 million, so not too bad. Matic, Bit, Tron, XRP, and other stable coins about 245 million. So what we're seeing here is we're seeing that the biggest impact to the sale and the dumpage of this 3.4 billion is on Solana, FTT, Bitcoin. But overall, we're seeing, if we add it all up, we're seeing that the majority of the crypto that's being held by FTX is altcoins. That is why we're seeing major dumpage. And that is why we're seeing right now, that is why we're seeing Solana, let me just blow that up for you. That is why we're seeing Solana taking a huge hit right now. Solana is taking a huge hit and it's down 6%. It's not looking good, guys. It's absolutely not looking good for Solana. Solana's taking a big hit, and that is because of the FTX. That's because of this, guys, because of this big sell-off. So that is why the markets are down. The sentiment is down, and people are kind of jittery right now. They don't know what the impact is. The good news is that they're only going to be selling up to $200 million a week, okay? But, you know, look at that. Are they going to split the $200 million evenly over all the crypto here, or are they going to start 200 million and tank Solana? So that's something that we need to be concerned about. This is this big news article here that came out. What is the market impact of FTX prepares to liquidate 3.4 billion would it be out there? So a lot of people are kind of concerned out there. We're seeing bearish sentiments now are being cast over the whole crypto market because of this, because of liquidations. A lot of people are not happy. We're seeing that a lot of the newbies are thinking like, look, headline 3.4 billion, but in fact, it's a controlled sell. It's a maximum of 200 million. So I don't think it's going to have a big impact, but however, it's affected the sentiment. It's affected the sentiment. And when the sentiment gets affected, that often drives price down. So that's what's going on with that. It's been affected, guys. In terms of Bitcoin returns, so far, September is not looking good. August was a bad month, but September, maybe we could break out of it. Maybe we could turn positive. That would be fantastic out there. Bitcoin again. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Let's take a look at what's going on with Ethereum out there. Ethereum, ETH. Let's take a look at Ethereum and see what's going on with Ethereum. Let's get this loaded. So we can see here that Ethereum right now also is not looking good. It is also breaking down, much the same pattern, big dumpski, sideways. 1503 level is my next support level for Ethereum. Things are not looking good, guys. Once again, I also want you to be safe. Get yourself a NANO Leger. Go check out my link down below. I appreciate it, guys. Also, be part of the conversation. Join our Discord. That would also be fine and dandy. I appreciate that, guys. Go join our Discord. Lots of good stuff out here. Sharing is caring. Let's take a look at Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is actually performing worse than Dogecoin because Dogecoin went down, is consolidated and going this way. But Shiba Inu, even though Shiba Inu, we had the Shiba and all that good stuff that we really waited for that. We're expecting more of a blast off, more of a pump up, but it didn't happen. We are collapsing down, and it looks like our next support level is a bunch of zeros and 7-0. So looks like we're going down, baby. Titanic, we're going down. We're going down. So watch out for that, guys. So that's going to bring this video to a close. I would appreciate it if you would go and follow me on my Twitter. But before we do that, let's talk about some other stuff that's happening for Bitcoin right now. So you can see that for Bitcoin right now, you can see that History is repeating itself. We have these bottoms. We have a breakout reversal trend, and we're seeing pretty much the same pattern. So that's kind of interesting. Guys, keep in mind that Elon Musk loves the Doge. If you love the Doge, smash the likes, guys. I appreciate it. Dogecoin to the freaking moon, guys, and Elon Musk is behind us. I love it. I love it. So things are looking pretty good. Overall, we can see that right now that Bitcoin is moving along these parallel trend lines since 2019. Here, parallel trend lines. We had a double top. BTC has already double price rejection at the second trend line. The next attempt to break it will be successful. So we had this attempt here once, twice, and it's broken down. But I think, we will break up again. And, according to Trader Tardigram, we love you, brother, we're seeing that we should hit $80,000 in 2024. Minimum 80,000 bucks, guys. That's looking lovely jubbly out there. Lovely jubbly. What else is happening? This is coming from Seth. He's saying the bear market is behind us. Remember, when I said I bought a lot of Bitcoin at 16K, guys, remember 16K? Some wish for another dip to 16, but it will probably not happen. So what he's saying is, if you take a look at this, that Bitcoin hit the bottom, it's not going to go any lower. I think, the lowest it could go, maybe 20K if something really bad happens. But overall, the bear is behind us and we're going up like crazy. People out there, it's nice, guys. It's nice. So our altcoin's dead. Just like 2015, they said altcoins are dead, and 2020, but what happened? They took off. So we're going to be seeing altcoins definitely be taking off soon, guys. So that's cool beans, guys. We're witnessing huge cycles, huge potential, and right now we're going to see that Bitcoin is going to be making some huge move, guys. So that's going to bring this video to a close. I appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.